You know, where we are right on our story, you can see the sidewalk here hasn't been cleaned, but what we've been seeing today all day, some streets are plowed, some aren't, some sidewalks are clean, and some aren't. But overall, New Yorkers who we caught up with today say it's New York and they're just used to it. After the big storm comes the big cleanup. No matter where you were in the 5 boroughs this Sunday, snow-covered cars and streets were everywhere in sight. And slippery roads and sidewalks like here in Park Slope, Brooklyn, were also a dangerous aftermath from Saturday's snowstorm that left behind more than a foot of snow in parts of New York City.
We've been shoveling an hour.
In Astoria, Queens, many residents spent the day digging out their cars.
We got to get the car ready for tomorrow, so we don't have to do it tomorrow in the morning.
We're just shoveling here because my sister goes to work and then she comes in the middle of the night and then all the snow is here and we're trying to take it out.
Jose had some help from his family and some advice for those who had to get their shovels out.
We have to take breaks, and do little by little. We are taking advantage of the sun right now.
Still, there are many small streets around Queens, Brooklyn, and the Bronx that haven't been plowed. And Plow New York City, where New Yorkers can report streets that need cleaning online, was down for much of the day, leaving many New Yorkers furious. Mayor Eric Adams this morning.
The snow may have stopped, but the work did not. There's so much more we have to do, and we are doing just that. And we're really reaching out to our snow laborers. We want them to help and register. Snow laborers should report to their local sanitation garage.
In the middle of it all are the sanitation workers working overtime to clean up neighborhoods. And then there are the New Yorkers who say they're used to it.
It comes with the territory. I'm a New Yorker. We move in any weather.